Hello from Shanghai, this is Holden. Today I want to show you two very different apartments in Shanghai. They have the same price, 7,000 Chinese yuan, but the life you get is completely different. Now let's take a look for the first one. Okay, right now I'm in the suburb of Shanghai, and that is a street view of the suburb Shanghai. On my left is the villa area. The residential complex I'm going to visit today is on my right side. Okay, we can see the building from here. Those are all restaurants. Well, check this. That is a little convenience store. It's not a chain, just a local convenience store. Let's buy a bottle of water. Here, daily life is quite convenient. You got some local convenience store, but for the supermarket or shopping mall, it's not workable. You usually need a scooter, a car, or at least a long walk. Yeah. 2 bottles of water cost me 4 RMB. That is the interest of the complex. Let's get in. That is the environment for this community. This is a little square inside the community, and we have some fitness equipment. This apartment is located in Qingpu district in the suburbs of Shanghai. All right, let's keep moving. Right now I'm in the gate of this building. That is the outside for the building. Let's get in. Here we are. That is the public area for this apartment. Okay, now let's get in. Here is the entrance. Yeah, here we got a mirror. And this is the living room. We got the sofa, carpet, and the television is not here, but the landlord will add it soon. Now the balcony. The washing machine. However, this washing machine doesn't have the dry function. Some storage. That is a water heater. Let's check the view for the outside. Now let's see the dining room. We got a dinner table for 4 people. And of course, you could add 2 chairs, make it to 6 people. The fridge. Okay. And the view for the outside. That is a high-end residential complex. There are many foreigners live in that complex. And let's see the kitchen. We have 2 gas stoves and a lot of storage for this kitchen. Okay, let's keep moving. Here we got 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Now let's see. That is the first bathroom. The sink and the mirror. The toilet and the shower. Okay, this is a little storage room. Nothing here. Let's keep moving. This side is bedroom 1. This is a small bed. We already got the mattress. And the wardrobe. Okay. Let's see the bedroom 2. This one is not ready yet. the bed and the wardrobe is still on the way. Okay, now let's see the last bedroom. This one is the main bedroom, and it got a king-size bed. The wardrobe. And the view for the outside. We could see the villa area. Those road is for hanging your clothes. Okay, now let's see another bathroom. Here we are, bathroom 2. The shower, the toilet, and the mirror. For the same price, you got 114 square meters, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a modern, fully furnished apartment. Plenty of storage and a very good natural light. Okay, now let's check how long it will take. Go to the city center. Right now it's near 12, and I will walk to the metro station. From here to downtown Shanghai, it takes about 1 hour by metro. If you work in the city, this is something you need to accept. You get space, but you pay with time. Okay, now we arrived at the metro station. It takes us about 10 minutes. The train is arriving now. 21. Here we are. Now we arrived at the Jing'an Temple. Jing'an Temple is right in the city center. There are many tourists from all over the world to visit this place. And it's just 55. It takes about 1 hour. The best part for living in the city center is you can walk to many shopping malls. You got lots of supermarket, lots of bread. You got everything you need in this place. Coffee shops, bakeries, restaurants, bars, they are all just a few minutes away. You don't plan your lap here, you just walk downstairs and the lap happens around you. This area is very walkable. Alright, that is the entrance for the second one. Let's get in. This is an old residential complex. We need to find the building 16. Oh, by the way, there are no underground parking lot. So the parking lot is always not enough for the old complex like this. Yeah, that is the building 16. And the outside for this building, we don't have the elevator. Let's go. This one is on the 5th floor without elevator. That makes it cheaper than others in this area. Okay. 5th floor, we got 3 doors. I think this door is we need. Okay, here we are. It's just a studio. Let's take a look for this entrance. The door, and we got a water heater. This is the little kitchen. We got 2 gas stoves and a sink. But I think the storage for the kitchen is enough for just 1 or 2 people. I don't see the oven or the microwave. Okay, now let's see the bathroom. Here we are. We got a toilet And a shower. The mirror. Let's open it. Yeah. All right. Now let's see the room. This one is quite small, but it got everything you need. The dinner table, the carpet, and a small sofa. Let me try. Okay, that is a television. The fridge. Okay, now let's see the bed. The mattress is already there, and you can change the duvet if you want. The wardrobe, let's close it. The washing machine is here. And this washing machine also have the dry function. Now let's take a look for the view outside. I have to say, the view is quite good. You can see some old building nearby and modern skyscrapers behind it. And you can see those traditional Shanghai special road. Chinese love to hang their clothes on those roads. I have to say, this apartment is very different from the last one. It's a studio, about 40 square meters, located near the Jing'an Temple, right in the city center. The space is much smaller. There is no extra room, and the storage is limited. There is not a place for big furniture or a large family. So here is the real comparison. Same price, one gives you space, quiet and comfortable, and another one gives you location, convenience, and daily energy. One is space rich but time poor. The other is space poor but life rich. There is no right or wrong choices here. It all depends on who you are, what stage of life are you in. If you have to choose one of them, which one would you like to choose? Feel free to tell me in the comment. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.